My name's Jason, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about Rust Buster and what we do. We make frame repair sections for truck and SUV. Anywhere that has snow or they put chemicals on the road, you have the potential of rusting your frame, rusting off body mount brackets, gas tank brackets get rusted, the bushings go bad, and that's our area of expertise. We currently have hundreds of parts in stock, and we're going to do anywhere from 30 to 50 new parts a month. We buy these old rusty trucks and SUVs, we bring them in and break them down, we scan the frame, we do 3D prints of it and test fit everything before we do anything out of metal, which lets us be real accurate on our pieces, make sure everything lines up right, which saves time and money.
We really try to keep the parts consistent and as close to the OEM style as possible. We include all OEM holes to try to make it easy for the customer when they're looking at the part so they could just line it right up with the frame. We include perforations, as well as if you were going to keep your existing cab mount or bed mount and cross members, you would just be able to cut those right out, slide it up with real ease instead of having to cut your own hole to fit up a part. Or we also sell our own mounts and cross members. If you didn't want to remove the perforation, you could just fill it in with weld.
I've been using Rust Buster's frame sections for the Wranglers about 8 years. Done quite a few of them. Out of all the kits I've used, everything from quality-wise, like the welds are great, fit and finish is good. You know, once you get the frame prepared, it just kind of slips up into place and it's easy to weld on. Quality's great.
Been a Rust Buster's customer for about the last 5 years. There's multiple players in this market, but at the end of the day, there's a big difference in the time that they've put into the fit so that it does fit and it does work the first time, and you're not putting extra time into making it fit.
For every repair piece that we offer, we have printed instructions, or we also have an installation video. On our website, we have a frame diagram breakdown in different, they're color coded different, where you can kind of see where your damage is and line it up with what we have on the website. Also on our website, we have a list of Rust Buster installers. So a lot of times I'll have people reach out to me and like, I have a truck, this is my problem. You guys sell the part, but I don't know anybody to put it on, and I'm happy to make a recommendation of someone who's familiar with our product who will do a good job for you.
At the end of the day, it's a one purchase, and I know when I order it, it's going to line up, it's going to fit. There's not a lot of extra steps. If you follow the instructions, you do as it's listed, it's going to work out and it's going to fit right.